This is really good stuff. Okay, I'm telling you, this is the. I hope that guy, whatever, shows us a little more action. This is.
Well, I don't think we should be messing with this. See, this is why it scares me, is because you don't take it seriously.
I take it seriously. I think it's pretty, like...
You have a camera in my face in the bathroom.
You look beautiful in the morning, by the way.
Maybe we shouldn't have the camera.
Hello? This isn't really golden shit. Come on. Not an option at this point. With all that cool stuff going on.
Cool?
Or disturbing.
Are you not scared?
It's a little bizarre. But we have it documented. It's gonna be fine, okay? Sounded like it was like sounds coming from a wall or ceiling or something.
Floor.
Floor? Hey?
Whatever it was. Like someone would drop something really, really big and heavy.
Like what? Like someone picked the couch up or something?
You know, that kind of stuff didn't happen before the camera.
Before what?
Before the camera.
Oh, that has nothing to do with it. Like, it wasn't that bad. It was, like, a little loud. That was my inner child being scared. I'm fine. Thanks. All right? EVP experiment number 1. Is there anyone here? Where did you come from? Do you have something to say in English this time? Would you be happier talking with the Ouija board? What is your quest? What is your favorite color? Where did you come from? Do you have something to say in English this time? You got nothing to say, huh? Be happier talking with the Ouija board? Whoa. Hell. Is that you grunting? I mean, was it like 1 for yes, 2 for no? Yeah?